Hi everyone. Today we learn how to distribute certificates by using Certify.m tool which is provided by Google. Open your Google Drive. Now it is best practice to put everything in one folder. For that, create one folder. Now we have created. Remember two things. For certificate distribution, we have to make two files. One is Google Form and second one Google Presentation. Click on New, open blank form, rename the Google form as a quiz. We have to make this Google form as a quiz. Click on setting, click on quizzes, make this a quiz, click on save. Now remember two things here. First question is always related to email address and second question is always related to full name. Okay. Now I am clicking here. I am clicking here email address. Now this is short answer. You can enable email collecting condition. Now click on next question. Write down here full name. Now this is short answer question. Click on required. Now add one more question. 2 plus 2 equal to. You can add here college name also. Multiple choice. 4. Add all. 3 to 1. Now our quiz is ready. Now we have to create one Google slide for certificate. Now first rename the file certificate. Now I have one ready-made background, so I will just add background. Now if we click on slide, then we see here background. If we click outside slide, then here there is no background option. So click on slide, click on background, select image, browse. I have one sample certificate or sample image. Just clicking on that. It's done. Now certificate is ready. Certificate design is ready. Now we have to add name. Just click on, write down here full name, because we have used this full name in our Google form to collect name. So remember this, whatever here term full name, same must be present here full name. And after this, just type two curly brackets. Now it's done. If you want to print certificate ID, then type certificate ID. Also provide two curly brackets. Now our certificate is ready and our Google form is also ready. Now click on Google form, click on add-on. Here I have already installed Certify.m, but for installing Certify.m, click on more, click on add-on. Just search Certify.m, click on that and install. Now I'm closing this window. Now click on add-on button, click on certify. Now it shows just help, just refresh the tab. Now click on add-on. Now certify am showing enable certify am in this quiz. Click on that. Get started. Now this is now this shows status. Now current certification is off. We can make it on. This shows certificate record. This is passing criteria. You can take passing criteria from 0% to 100%. I am taking here 50%. Now here template. Now there are ready-made templates, but I have my own use as a custom template. Now by default golden template is selected. Now click on select a new file. Now my certificate, select save changes. Now here quota is 100 email. I have already used 4 emails, so it's showing 96 emails. Now here there is advanced option. First one is exam option, message shown upon submission, email option, certificate VCC, certificate option that is sent as PDF or image, we send by PDF, share via email or Google Drive. So we click on email, now save changes. Now setup is ready, but we want to see a sample certificate. Just click on that. Now this shows a sample certificate has been emailed to you. Now let's verify whether I have received or not. I have received one mail from myself. Now Lisa Simpson is the default name. Now this is certificate ID. This is default certificate ID. Now these two things must be present on certificate. Let's check. This is name and this is certificate ID. Now our certificate is ready. Now just click on quiz. Now turn on. Now certification is on. Close the window. Now I am just clicking on send button. We copy the link, paste the link. Now email address, full name, XYZ, XYZ. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Submit. Now I have submitted the form. I'm just checking the mail whether I received mail or not. Now I have received the mail. Just clicking on that. This is my name XYZ. This is my certificate ID. Check. We received certificate with name and with certificate ID. Now we want to see how many certificates are distributed till today. For that, just click on My Drive. Now here one file is created, Certify Records. Click on that. Here we get timestamp, email, full name, other identifier, total score, percent, score, pass, certificate ID. Thank you.